Hi everyone, welcome back to Filson channel. Today's update is about one of our custom metal panel air filter. When industrial air systems run non-stop, filter reliability becomes critical, especially in harsh gas processing environments like air stripping towers. This is where our metal panel filter really comes into its own. Engineered specifically for various industrial gas filtration applications, it features a 3 to 1/6 liter stainless steel mesh filter media with a heavy-duty galvanized frame. The result is high dirt holding capacity, excellent corrosion resistance, and long service life. The pleated design is another highlight. This effectively increases its filtration area while optimizing the flow rate. It's worth to mention that our metal panel air filter is constructed with a 3-layer structure. Protective mesh on both sides supports the filter media and improves mechanical strength, although this structure poses additional challenges for the wire mesh pleating process during production, and our team successfully handle them. Micron rating can be engineered down to 10 microns to intercept precisely tiny particles and protect packing media or downstream devices. We support any customized sizes to perfectly meet your real applications and always comply with a minimized tolerance to ensure an optimal installation. Integrated handles allow easier installation and maintenance. And because the filter is fully metallic, it can be cleaned and reused multiple times. Contact us whenever you need support. Don't forget the subscribe button.